The Google Pixel 10 is creating a buzz, but not entirely for the reasons fans were hoping. A new leak has revealed that the standard Pixel 10 might skip some of the upgrades users were expecting. While there are still improvements on the way, the omissions could make the base model feel less exciting, especially when compared to the Pro version. Let's start with performance. One of the most talked about issues is the possible lack of a vapor chamber cooling system. This type of system helps manage heat, especially during gaming or when you're using heavy apps. The Pixel 9 didn't have a vapor chamber, and it looks like the Pixel 10 might not include it either. For those who push their phone to the limit, this could be a real concern. Without it, the phone may heat up more quickly, which could reduce performance over time. Next, let's talk about connectivity. Last year's Pixel 9 supported Wi-Fi 7, the newer and faster wireless standard. But surprisingly, the Pixel 10 might only come with Wi-Fi 6E. That would be a step backward, especially since many other new phones are already offering Wi-Fi 7 as standard. For people who care about future-proofing their devices and getting the fastest speeds at home or on public networks, this could be a disappointment. Now onto the cameras. This is usually where Google phones shine, but the base Pixel 10 might come with some compromises. It's rumored to feature a triple camera setup, which is a first for the standard Pixel model. That sounds great at first, but to make space for the third lens, Google may shrink the main and ultra-wide camera sensors. Smaller sensors often mean lower image quality, particularly in low-light environments. So while you're getting more lenses, you might be sacrificing the quality that Pixel cameras are known for. There's also a chance that some software-based camera features will only be available on the Pro version. Earlier leaks suggested that Google planned to upgrade video stabilization across the entire Pixel 10 lineup, but this new report says that smoother video recording may be limited to the Pro model. That means users of the regular Pixel 10 might not get the same level of quality when capturing videos, especially during movement or action shots. Another big camera feature expected to launch this year is something called Ultra Race Zoom. It's said to be an upgrade to the current Super Race Zoom that has been around since the Pixel 3. While Super Race Zoom supports up to 8x zoom, Ultra Race Zoom could go beyond that, delivering sharper details from farther away. But again, this may be exclusive to the Pro model. Design-wise, the Pixel 10 might sport matte sides paired with a glossy back. It's a small touch, but it does add a bit of style and contrast compared to previous versions. It could feel more modern in the hand, even if the actual shape and size stay mostly the same. So what does this all mean for potential buyers? Well, if these leaks are true, the regular Pixel 10 may end up feeling like a half-step upgrade. Some users may not mind missing out on Wi-Fi 7 or Ultra Race Zoom, but for others, especially fans of photography or high-performance gaming, the lack of certain features could be a deal-breaker. The Pro model, on the other hand, seems to be getting all the premium treatment from cooling systems and zoom features to better sensors and software enhancements. That growing gap between the regular and Pro versions might push more people to either spend more for the Pro or wait for the more affordable Pixel 10a, which could arrive next year. The Pixel 10 lineup is expected to launch in late August, though official pricing hasn't been announced yet. And while many fans were hoping for a more powerful and fully loaded base model, this leak suggests that the real innovations may be reserved for the Pro. If you're someone who wants the latest features like advanced zoom, better heat management, and top-tier connectivity, the Pro model might be worth the investment. But if you're okay with skipping those upgrades for a lower price tag, the standard Pixel 10 could still offer good value, just not the cutting-edge experience some users had in mind. As always, these are leaks and early reports, so things can change before the official release. But for now, it's clear that Google may be drawing a sharp line between the base Pixel 10 and its more powerful sibling. Keep an eye out for more updates as we get closer to launch.